Hi everyone. So there is a very special announcement in this video which is very important for me. So in my whole life I never thought about doing this, but it had all happened in such a short period of time because of taking the right decision, because of coming into the circle of right people, because of having the right guidance, because of finding the right mentor. So thank you everyone. First of all, thanks to all my mentors and co-mentors and my Gurudev, because of which this has been possible. So the special announcement is, for the very first time in my life I am going to become an author. So I will soon be publishing my first ebook on Amazon Kindle, and I will share the ebook cover page now. So if you like that cover, do share it and share your reviews in the comment section. How do you feel about the book? So I will keep you updated about the book when it will be published, so that you can grab a copy and let me know after reading how do you feel about the book. So thank you so much guys. Thank you everyone out there who like my content, who share my content, who watch my content. Thank you so much. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless.